Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily find something on a page. So if you want to find some word or some sentence, how you can do it? So you just need to open in Safari what you need page in what page you need to find something, and just click here. So just click here. So now you just need to scroll until you will see find on page. So just open it, and now you just need to write here word or sentence you want to find in this article, and just click on the search and it will find this word. So this is how it works. If you want to go back, just click done and it will disappear the search tab from your screen. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.